Good morning, everybody. This is Simply Forex, Trading Forex Simply. My name is Max Farrow, and this is DexTrader.com. Today is October 18th, 2017. Now, before I get started today, I just wanted to quickly show you some of the results and some of the successes that we've been having with the process within our team. We're very, very proud of everybody who's in trading and working. But this past week has been very difficult. Our main system of DexTrader and the Signals network was under fire by a few outside sources. Like we always say, this industry is riddled with scammers and hackers and people that want to see you fail or steal your money or your information. Every time that we talk about a new system or a new program, the hackers and people that want to take our stuff and sell it on the markets, they all come after our systems, trying to find out where we hide all of our programs and stuff. Now, in that little fight that we had to do here just recently over the weekend and even into the beginning of the week, we had to sort of take on some major roles here. Now, so the staff was pretty taxed and I was pretty taxed because we were working on building a lot of things. So for 2 days, I wasn't able to do a market read. So I do apologize, but we're back here today. So I am a little concerned of not seeing a lot of people inside the chat room. If you're seeing this video right now, one of the things that you need to do to understand to get to your level of success that you want to get to is that you better start working with others that are successful in this trading style. As you see, there's Brian, there is Paul, and there's a handful of people in there that's in that chat room. Okay, we made this for you to be able to use, to be able to share your leads and or share your trades and figure these things out and work with us. But if you're not going to be in there, then there's nobody to blame for your lack of success. Now, let me take you over and show you some of the success that's been happening. Me personally, you probably expect me to be able to trade it and do it well, right? Absolutely. I'm in there kicking butt. Why? Because, let me jump right here. That's Nadex. Oh, Forex right there. Because since I've started on the 18th, or sorry, not the 18th, the 12th, I think it was. Since I started trading on the 10th, I've made $1,859. Now, you're like, that's not a lot of money. Well, actually it is, because it's a tremendous amount of pips. And in fact, I even dropped down my account to only trading one mini lot at a time. And you can kind of see that there's times when I trade one mini lot. And I do very well, a mini lot. That mini lot means that if that one's a mini lot right there, that's 62 pips, that one. I am now graduating to the longer term. That's right. When you start, you're dealing with the shorter term. 20 pip movements, 40 pip take profits, right around in that area. But now I'm looking at the 60, 120 areas of longer term periods, over a day, over 2 days. You see that this fired off on the 16th and then closed out on the 18th. 2 days. It's a 2-day trade. But on a mini lot, made 48 pips. Not bad, right? So this is where the idea of getting in and starting your training. Now, I'm not the only one. There's Paul, who's made about $1,100 since the 10th, since we fired this off 8 days ago. But he's using one standard lot. Now, in these particular cases, it all depends on how big your balance is. You can see his notes on the process. Now, understand one thing's for sure. He made $91 in one morning. On this particular day, I cover that right there, he made $750 on that day. Now, does he have bad days? Absolutely. But his bad days are still positive ROI. But let me look at this one. I think this one was, all right, yeah, see, there we go. A minus 132. I want you to see that there's wins and losses in this process. But this is when he first started out. This is his first day trading this. Paul's never traded this style before. He has a 67.95% success rate. And he's done 78 actual trades for $1,108. Now you tell me. It's pretty wild, right? Now, this is my brother Brian's chart or journal for trading Forex. Now remember, he doesn't get a lot of time to trade. He works full time with DEX and handling customer service. So you can kind of quickly see that he has a little bit of hiatus in here when we had a lot of problems. But again, as he started out, $339 trading one standard lot in practice doing his process, he hasn't done too bad for his first week ever doing this particular type of trading. I want to put your name up here next. I have a couple of other people that we've started out that are really starting to get very good at it as well. But why isn't your name here? The next thing you need to do, if you've gone through training and you've gone through the process, is to work it. Start working the process. Get on board, get into your book a consult, get on the phone with me, discuss the process itself, integrate with the traders on board inside the chat room, all of it. You understand? If you can't be able to do this part of it, you're not going to become a successful trader unless you put the time in and the work with it and work with us. I do hope to see you inside. I didn't want to make this too long this morning. I wanted to give you an opportunity to see what we're doing. Now, before I let you go, I want you to know where you're headed. Your first phase here, the first phase of this process, is for you to get in and train with this Simply Forex process on the smaller time frames. Okay? Then once you get to this level of success and you're doing well, then I'm going to boost you up to the 1 hour time frames on how to spot it on the 1 hour charts. This will give you about a 4 hour trade. And then I'll teach you how to do it on the 4 hour charts for a 2-day trade. That's right. This is spotting the same movements with just bigger stop losses and take profits. Still that 1 to 2 area. And in some cases, let me show you where you're headed here. In some cases, you're on something like this. You can kind of see this. This is a mini lot. And that's 1480. You understand? That's 15 pips that this is ahead. But look at this. This is my stop loss of 20 pips to my take profit of 84. Now, why do I know it's going to do that? Well, because eventually this thing will continue to move down and down and down until I scalp it out or it hits my take profit. It's pretty strong, right? My account history for this particular process, look at this, is the 10 the one mini lot. This is 110 pips, and you can kind of see started on the 16th and the 18th. So this is no joke. This account is very powerful because I've seen the value on how to trade this process, and it is very strong. Now, where is this physically going? Well, once you learn how to trade this, and once you can spot the processes and see the solution for yourself, this program that I'm showing you right now is a bot. That's right. So I've made our simple Forex system into a bot to be able to trade for you, but I don't sell it to the general public. I only sell it to those that go through our program. Pretty spooky, huh? You guys are the first to hear this. So you have some goals that you need to get to. And I'll explain those goals in the videos to come when we start talking about this process. All right, folks. You have a great day. I'm Max Farrow. This is Simply Forex, Trading Forex Simply. And in the future videos coming, we'll talk about the market read here in a moment after we come back. But I want to thank you for your time, and I'll see you inside.